we are going to try that today. I believe load the Flotagon app. That's for those that do not have their Play Store. You must already know how to download Flotagon app, and then we are going to be making use of it now. So this is the app here. So let's click on the app Flotagon. Click on it. So we're going to try to be as fast as we can with this. I don't want to make the video long, okay, but then make sure that all the videos that we are going to be doing, all right, and then this particular video, make sure that you watch it to the end. Now this is 3D cartoon animation, 3D cartoon animations. You can see it. So for most, what you are going to be doing in your own assignment, you are going to be promoting a brand or a business. Okay, you are going to be advertising a brand or a business using this 3D animation. If you want to use it to create a story, it's fine. If you want it to create a story, it's fine, because this 3D animation, you can use it to promote a brand or you can use it to create a story, anyone that you want. Okay, anyone that you want. So we're going to click on this create video. All right, sorry about that. So you click on this create videos. Okay, so create. All right, create. So we just wait for it to download. There are different characters. Now remember, we are creating using free version. Remember, everything about this tutorial is free. Okay, is free. The versions that we're going to be using, the apps we're going to be using, the website we're going to be using is free. Okay, to create stunning stuff. So let me leave here. I was already here before doing some stuff. So let's just leave. Let me show you the interfaces and all. So I think it wants to run an ad. So the ads already done is already done playing. So we're going to add actors. So we've already generated a scene. Okay, this is the scene here. Street corner, we've generated a scene. Now the next thing is for us to generate actors. How do we get our actor? You're going to click on this no actor. This no actor means there's no actor currently, so you're going to click on it to get an actor. All right, so you click on it. You can see different actors. You see the ones that has crown on it. These ones, they are paid for. You cannot use it. You can't use it except you subscribe to this app, and I think is 900 naira for a month. For this app is 900 naira for a month. Okay, so we're going to make use of the ones that are free. For instance, Lizzie is free. Lizzie had a download icon here, because I've already downloaded, so you're not going to see. For example, let me show you something. Let me look for the one that has download. Let's look for. Now you see this Android male and Android female. You can see I've clicked on it to download. Once you click on it, it's going to download. So once it downloads, this download icon will be removed. See this download icon. I'm coming. This download icon, it will be removed. Okay, but now I don't want to use. Once it's removed, you then click on it again. But I don't want to use this. I don't want to use the Android female Android. I don't want to use the robot. Okay, so I'm just going to stick to my. I want to use Lizzie and okay, Lizzie is the first one. All right, now if you want to make it a single character, meaning that it's only Lizzie that you only want one person, this is what you click on. This no actor again. So you click on this no actor again, and then you will click on you see this no character. You're going to click on that no character. Okay, once you click on no character, it is just that Lizzie that will remain there, but then I want someone else. So who should I pick? Let me go for let me just go for Scott, because I've downloaded Scott before. So let me go for Scott. Scott is free. You can see two of them. Now if you want, this one is to the left. Okay, this is to the left of the door, this one is to the right of. Lizzie is to the left of the door, Scott is to the right of the door. Now if you want Lizzie to be somewhere, maybe you want Lizzie to sit on a bench, you click on bench. You can see that Lizzie is sitting on a bench. Same thing with Scott. If you want Scott to do the same, you can see Lizzie sitting on a bench there. All right, if you want her to be at a corner, See, she's at the corner. If you want her to be at the door right, you can see. If you want, good, you can see that when she's at the door right, you can't find Scott. That's because you cannot, the two characters, Lizzie and Scott, they cannot be at the same location. Scott is to the door right. Now I placed Lizzie at to be at the door right. Okay, you can't put the two characters in the same location, so one character we have to go. So let's change Lizzie. Let's say she's at the mailbox. Now you can see Lizzie at the mailbox, close to the mailbox, and then Scott is over there. Now I want Lizzie to be at the door left. All right, so same thing with Scott, you can do anything. Now let me show you something. You see Lizzie. Okay, I don't want to change character. Now I want to show you something. You see this place here. Let me show you. I'm coming. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will have advanced settings for both Lizzie and Scott. For instance, now this is Lizzie already. Lizzie's at the door left, right? Yes. If you want to do skipping, so for example, let's say I want to click on this skipping established shot, meaning where do I want my car. Just let me click on established shots first. You would see them. Let me click on skipping established shots. Let me click on move it to the right. Move it to the right in the sense that how do you want this video to move? How do you want it to move? You see this thing, it signifies video. Now all these ones is how do you want it to move? Where should it move? That's it. So let me show you something. Come, let me play it first so you can see. You can see it's moving. If I want it to move to the right, move forward. You can see it's moving forward. Okay. Now, which spots? Should it move to the yeah, it's for the two characters. Should they move to the what was it called, mailbox? For the two characters, do you want the two characters to be at the mailbox, or do you want the characters to be at the corner? One of the characters, okay, and the other one, do you want it to be at the corner, or do you want them on a bench, close to a bench? So do you want, all right, so let me just place established spots. Okay, established spots. All right, established spots. Okay, then okay, I think the first one, all right, door left, door right. All right, for both of them. So anyone you want, actually anyone you want. Okay, so that's that. Let's say skip your established spots. I want them skip your established spots. Okay, so this is where I want them to be. Now all right, so I'm coming. So I think we are done with what we are doing already. Okay, we are done with what we are doing. So now let's start with what was it, script. That's what these characters should say, what we want them to say. Okay, this is where we are going to click. You see this, going to click on it. So you click on it, this message stuff. Now once you click on it, who is the first person you want to speak? What's the first person that you want to speak? I want Lizzie to be the first, so you click on the no actor, Lizzie. Right, what do you want Lizzie to say? So let's text. So if you are creative for a brand or for a business, to promote a business, you should already have a script, and I've already taught you how to get a script. If you have no script ideas, you can just go to ChatGPT or Claude AI to help you generate scripts, and just let it know that okay, you're creating for 3D animation using Plotagon, so that it can know how to structure it for you. Okay, all right, let me say good morning. What name should I give Scott? Let's say good morning, Daniel. How are you doing today. Full stop. So make sure you always use your punctuation, because know your punctuation. When you use a comma, you know that the way a sentence that has a comma would sound is different from the way a sentence that has a full stop will sound. So make sure you use your punctuation very well. Now I already given my script for Lizzie, right? Now you see this neutral. I want to add emotions to her voice and everything. Sorry. You see this neutral here? I'm going to click on it. Currently Lizzie is at a neutral stage. Okay, no emotions, no nothing. Now I want let me check. Let me look for which one should I pick? Should I pick suspicious, like good evening Daniel? No, not this, not this. Not angry, just a greeting. No. Okay, let me check up first. Afraid, accusing, blue star county, disagreeing. No, 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 no. Okay, let me just place it on neutral. Just neutral. Okay, and go to letter N. Neutral. Okay, now we are done. So what you are going to do now next is to still click on this thing that look like a message box. This thing that look like a message box. This thing here that has message box. So you are going to click on it to add another one. Who do you want? So this is it. Now which character? Now I want Scott to talk. So let's say I guess no. Good morning. No, hi Rachel. You can give it any name. Hi Rachel. Good morning. I guess I am fine. You can see from the whole thing, the person guess he or she is fine. I'm sorry, Scott guessed that he is fine. Let me not use Scott, it's Daniel now. So Daniel guessed that he is fine, right? But meaning he's not so sorry, he's not so sure. So let's look for something that represent that. So that would be sad. He's sad. At this moment he's sad. He guess he's fine, but deep down something is there. So you click on this message inbox again to add, okay? Yeah, so now Lizzie wants to talk. So let me see. You guess what's wrong? You look sad. Wait, you guess what's wrong? You look sad. You look sad. Then click on it again to add. Okay, wait. I didn't give Lizzie. I did not give Lizzie emotions. So let's say thinking. So she's kind of like thinking, what's wrong? Why do you look sad? So you click on no, not threatening, thinking. Okay, now let's add. Let's say Scott. It's nothing much, just that I feel so useless lately. No skills, no nothing. I just feel visible and currently broke. I just want to be seen. I just want to be relevant, as AI is already taking over. Then let's it be. Which emotions should we pick? Which emotions? Let's say, should it still be sad or deep? Let's see. Let's pick tired. Like where he's tired, just tired of everything. Okay. Let's play everything. Let's play from the beginning so you can see.
Good morning, Daniel. How are you do today?
Hi, Rochelle. Good morning. I guess I am fine.
You guess? What's wrong? You look sad.
It's nothing much. Just that I feel so useless lately. No skills, no nothing. I just feel invisible and currently broke. I just want to be relevant as I already taking over.
Okay, let's go back to that Scott and see what happened there. I just feel invisible and currently, but I just want to be relevant as AI is. Okay, this is where the issue was. So you can edit it. Just click on it wherever you want to edit. So AI is already taking over. So now I'm going to add another one. So for Lizzie's reply. So Lizzie's reply. That's true. And for you to be relevant in this digital age, you need a tech skills. Haven't you heard of the free six, let me spell it, 6 days video editing and animation class organized by Jewel Tech Academy. So okay, tech. Now let's add emotions to it. Like, haven't you heard? Not really surprise, but it's like she's wondering. So let's see. Should you say skeptical? Let's see the emotions that it's bringing. No, not this. Thinking. Yeah, she's thinking. Haven't you heard? All right. So then add another one. Then this time Scott would be surprised, like, whoa, are you serious? Whoa. Are you serious? I'm just hearing this now. Please, where is it organized. Surprised. So emotions, let's make it surprising emotions. Okay, so you can actually do as much as you want, right? You can do as much as surprised. You can write any length, just know that if the length is so long, so your download is going to take a lot of time. Now let's add another message. So Lizzie, right, it's it's being organized on the official WhatsApp group. Let me call the number with. So this is the WhatsApp number 09031688896. So then this will be the last one. This will be the last one. This will be the last one. So that's the last one has cut. Oh, I did add emotions to Lizzie. We'll go back to that one back. So Scott will be happy now. All right. Thank you very much, my very good friend. I can't miss this opportunity. All right, so going to make make Scott happy. So I'll just leave Lizzie at neutral. Just leave Lizzie neutral there. So let me make Scott happy. Should he be happy, or let's say excited? Let's see if excited is there. I think excited is much better than happy. Oh, there's no excited here, so let's just leave that happy. All right, so now let's start over again.
Good morning, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Rochelle. Good morning. I guess I am fine.
You guess?
Good morning, Daniel. How are you doing today? So yeah. So before you can see that error, before you save your stuff, make sure you always cross check the write up, what you wrote there. Make sure you play it, cross check it, and make sure that it's correct. So how are you doing today? Make sure it's correct, except maybe you got your script from AI. Okay, then I'm very sure that one should be correct. So let's play again. So that's that. All right, so play.
Good morning, Daniel. How are you doing today?
Hi, Rochelle. Good morning. I guess I am fine.
You guess? What's wrong? You look sad.
It's nothing much. Just that I feel so useless lately. no skills, no nothing. I just feel invisible and currently broke. I just want to be relevant as I is already taking over.
That's true, and for you to be relevant in the digital ad, you knew tech skills. Haven't you heard of the free 6 days video editing and animation class organized by Jewel Tech's Academy?
Wow! Are you serious? I'm just here in the now. Please, where is I organized?
It's being organized on the official WhatsApp group. This I the WhatsApp number 090316888896.
Thank you very much, my good friend. I can't miss this opportunity.
I see a lot of mistakes, so let's start correcting. So let's check this one. Scott, I guess I am fine. Then Lizzie, you guess what's wrong? You look sad. Then Scott, it's nothing, just I feel so useless lately. No skills, no nothing. I just feel invisible, currently broke. I just want to be relevant as AI is already taking over. Then Lizzie, that's true. For you to be relevant in this, so in this, let's edit that. So in this digital era, you need a tech skills. Haven't you heard of the free 6 days video editing and animation class organized by Jewel Tech Academy? Okay, then whoa, Scott. Right, then whoa, are you serious? I'm just hearing it now. I'm just hearing it now. Please, where is it organized? Please, where is it organized? Then Lizzie, click on Lizzie. So just wait for it to load. Click on Lizzie again. It's been, you can see errors, so you just have to calm down. It's been organized on the official WhatsApp group. This is the WhatsApp number. Then Scott, thank you very much, my very very good friend. I can't miss this opportunity. So we are done. Now, yeah. So if you see every other icons, other things there, you can exploit if you want other stuff. I'm coming. Let me show you. I'm coming. So we're actually done. So what's next for us to do is to save. So you see all this other one here, you can exploit if you want. You can exploit. You see this particular one now, this one, do I explained, or just you can explore anything over there. This one here is if you want these two characters, if you want it to be far or near. All right, so you can explore anything there. Okay, so that's that. So we are going to save, and this is where you are going to save. This, click on it to save. Mine is quite long, so let's just hope. Okay, click on it to save, then click on save video. Do you want to export with subtitles or without? So let me export with subtitles. Was it subtitle that I picked just now? I don't know what I picked, if it's subtitle with subtitle or not. Well, depending on whatever you want to, which one you pick. So let's just wait for it to load, or for it to render. It's one. So it seems like it's going to be very slow. So let me pause the video. Once it's done, once it's done, I will get back here. So it's 98%, 99. So let's just wait. It took so long to actually load. So let's wait. Finalizing video. Done. So it has been saved. So you click on done. Okay. So you go to your gallery. So let's go to our gallery. So I'm going to my photos. So if yours is gallery, I don't have gallery. Mine is photos. So you go to your photos. Anywhere you have images or videos. So just go there. Alright, so just wait for it to load. With all of these, you can actually start content creations with hosting these and all, probably open accounts and everything. So let's wait. Go to collection. Alright, so this is the video.
Good morning, Daniel. How are you doing today?
Hi, Rochelle. Good morning. I guess I am fine.
You guess? What's wrong? You look sad.
It's nothing much. Just that I feel so useless lately. No skills, no nothing. I just feel invisible and currently broke. I just want to be relevant as I is already taking over.
That's true, and for you to be relevant in this digital era, you need tech skills. Haven't you heard of the free 6 days video editing and animation class organized by Jewel Tech Academy?
Wow! Are you serious? I'm just hearing it now. Please, where is it organized?
It's being organized on the official WhatsApp group. This is the WhatsApp number, 090316888896.
Thank you very much, my very good friend. I can't miss this opportunity.